going to do is we're going to work a little bit more on rolling, but we're going to go from a kneeling position to a standing position. This time we have a little bit of a different target. We have cups, some of our cup stacking cups that we'll do cup stacking with at school. But what we're using those for is to demonstrate that you can find a plastic cup at home or a water bottle at home to use that's safe if it gets knocked over. Again, we do not want to use any glass cups because that's going to be very bad for you to use that and break it and get your parents upset with you. So no glassware, just plastic cups, all right? So from a kneeling position, we're going to do the tick-tock and roll. This is going to isolate your arm only, so you're only working your arm when rolling, okay? So for kneeling position, I'm aiming at my target, tick, tock, roll, okay? Got my target down, and I'm going to go reset it right quick, and come back. Now, when we did underhand tossing, you know how we backed up each time you get your target? That's something you could do right now. But for right now, I would like y'all to at least just work on being in a kneeling position, tick tock and roll. And just in case you miss it, that's okay. Nobody's perfect. Tick tock and roll. There we go. So Coach got 2 out of 3. Maybe you guys can get 3 out of 3. Have a good time trying this at home. Bye. All right, hey boys and girls, so we just got done kneeling on the ground and only isolating just our arm, okay? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add that step in. So it's just like an underhand toss, tick tock, step and toss, but again with rolling, what are the 2 things that have to happen? The ball has to stay on the ground at all times and it has to be in control. We don't want the ball going everywhere, it has to be rolling on the ground. That's why we're working on rolling, okay? So, I'm going to look at my target, which again is our plastic cups, all right? We're going to go tick tock, step with your opposite foot, roll it on the ground. Try and knock over your target, okay? Ball's going that way. I'm going to go set this up over here. Now, you know what? The cool thing about being in the gym is we'll just all of a sudden get the ball back to us, just like that. It's like magic in here. Nobody knows what's going to happen. Tick tock. Step and roll. All right, boys and girls. Again, with our game with underhand tossing when we're moving back, if you want to, you can knock it over, take a step back, maybe it'll get a little more challenging, okay? So, have fun with some rolling, and in our next video, we'll show you a cool little game you can play while rolling your ball. All right? Have fun, boys and girls.